Okay, guys, Roy Spradley with Spradley's Pest Solutions here, and I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of what I use in my pest control services. So this is all the stuff that I use, but they're in containers right now. So I'm going to open up some containers and show y'all all that I use. So anyway, right now I'm going to go with the insecticide concentrates and aerosols. So I've got Seismic CS here. This is what I use for maintenance and general use. And this is Teco Pro Insect Growth Regulator. I mix this with the Seismic CS, because Seismic CS uses lambda-cyhalothrin, and lambda-cyhalothrin is a synthetic pyrethroid, so insects can build a resistance to it. So that's why I mix an IGR with it. So anyway, here's Defense NXT. I use this for flushing out roaches out of their hiding spots. So this is technically what I use for that. And then we got the Striker Wasp and Hornet Killer here. This is for killing wasps and hornets. And that's about it for that one. There's another aerosol in there that I'm not going to use anyway, so we don't need to worry about that. We just need to worry about this stuff here. Alright, so anyway, here's my insecticide, my insect baits with the dust and things like that. So this is what I use around the perimeter of homes for quarterly pest control, quarterly or monthly, whatever the client wants. So I do this. So I use this around the perimeter. And I've never had to use this stuff, but this is quick strike fly bait. So if somebody ever had any problems with flies, then I would use this. But on the outside of the home, because this you cannot use inside of a home. You can only use it outside of a home. So use that. And here I've got Defense Dust. Now this is something you blow in between your dishwasher. I blow this in between dishwashers, holes in the walls and things like that, and other areas where and like underneath the sink, underneath the kitchen sinks and things like that. I spray this. I blow this into openings or pipes in our walls, or cracks, or like crevices, like between the dishwasher and things like that, or between the stove, or down on the floor between the stove or refrigerator. I use this, or underneath it. So that's what I use, and this is what I use to apply that dust with. This is a bellow duster, so this is what I use with it. Okay, and this here is my B&G multi-dose bait gun. This is technically what I use to apply bait gels with. So this is what I have. Then I also use Deco silverfish packs. These are great for if you have silverfish. They're like little cardboard. They're like little cardboard pieces, little cardboard packs that are laced with boric acid, and you put you put these in areas where silverfish are. I haven't had to use it yet, but hopefully when I do have to use it, I'll do a video for y'all and let y'all know how this works for me. So anyway, here's another product that I use. This is Avion Ant Gel. I've heard it works great for ants, so I use this. And I use this as well. This is Max Force FC Select Roach Killer Bait Gel. This is excellent for maintenance, like if you want to prevent roaches from coming in some areas. or you want to prevent from having roaches, then I would use this for that reason, or I would just use it if you already have an existing issue. So that's what I would use that. So anyway, here's another one of my products. This is JT Eaton Bait Block 2G, which 2G is second generation anticoagulant, which is bromadiolone. So I use that for rats and mice, along with these bait stations here. And I'm going to remove this, and this, and show y'all some of my other equipment that I have in here. Remove this, and another bait station here. And I am going to show y'all some of my equipment in here. So this here is my B&G can here, and this is what I use to apply the Seismic CS and Teco Pro Insect Growth Regulator mix. I apply it on baseboards with this. Here's some gloves that I use when applying pesticides, and some masks that I use when applying the defense dust. And these are some traps for rats and mice, which I don't ever use that anyway. And that's pretty much about it. I mean, I've got a little light here. You can see that. A little light there for putting for a head, like a little headlamp there. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to show y'all all the chemicals that I use in my services. So anyway, guys, I will see y'all next time. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and comment, leave a comment, and also subscribe, and consider subscribing to my company's channel. And I will see y'all next time.